Hey there! Today's recipe is flavor-packed chicken wrap that will disappear faster than you can make it. But trust me, you'll make it again and again. It's just that good. So let's go. Let's start with the star, tender chicken. Into a bowl, add your chicken strips. I have taken 6 strips here. Add 2 tablespoons Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, half tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder or cayenne powder. Salt to taste, 1 tablespoon chicken masala. I'm using homemade chicken masala here. Recipe is in the description, but you can use any store-bought grilled chicken seasoning you like. Now just add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix it well and let the flavors soak in for 30 minutes. If you don't have time to marinate, that's fine. It'll still be great. Now, heat a griddle, add 2 tablespoons oil. Cook the chicken evenly on both sides. I like it slightly charred, but totally up to you. While the chicken cooks, we can prepare our 2 sauces to go in the wrap. For the first one, take 2 tablespoons Greek yogurt or hung curd in a bowl. Add some fresh grated garlic to it. Add fresh coriander, a pinch of salt and some black pepper. Give it a mix and your first sauce is ready. It was just that simple. Second sauce. It'll bring the kick to the wrap. Take 2 tablespoons mayonnaise and add any hot sauce to it. You can adjust the quantity based on how spicy you would like it. That's it. Mix it up and your second sauce is ready. Alright, so let's see how our chicken is doing now. It looks good. Let's flip it so it can cook evenly on the other side too. Ready to assemble the wrap now? Let's go. Take a soft flatbread or a tortilla. Generously spread the yogurt sauce on half side and mayonnaise sauce on the remaining half. Get the veggies of your choice ready. Ooh, that looks good. Our chicken is done. To the best part now, putting everything together. Place the strips on one side of the tortilla and then add fresh crunchy veggies, tomatoes, green pepper, onions and lettuce. You know, food is wonderfully forgiving. You don't need perfect knife skills or flawless techniques. And I'm sure you would have figured why I'm saying this. Didn't make a perfect wrap? But I know it's gonna be yum. Toast it lightly on the pan for that perfect golden finish. And there you have it. Warm, juicy, flavor-packed chicken wrap ready to steal the show. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or honestly any time you're craving something seriously satisfying. Try it once and this might just become your go-to wrap recipe. Thank you for watching. Until next recipe, goodbye.